me be me kan ho adwuma kakra. Aha. Me be ho adwuma. Obi anchia lawyer Sammy Gyamfi ma me. Na won kan chen se okumangra. Me da na se papa nyame won hira no.
87 months in office, Sammy Gyamfi has started air check cars. NDC version of Ibrahim Mahama. Sammy Gyamfi had Ibrahim Mahama. Ewo NDC party no started air check cars. Say America say ya Oheneba Boamah Bennie. I know you go TV SYZ. O ha so na say mo obeke kemu pe go NDC party so party no mo di dia no. Ana adwuma boy nyina ti no. Mo sideline no. Mo ma na hwe. Ofra kura mo mfa. Say see ade. Ni soon. Edu na nanu mani. Sammy Gyamfi auto very Porsche Car, Toyota Camry, fully spec. Ediama Oheneba Boamah. Aha Penyah block media. Mesro say any day. Over like a video, no other more subscribers and subscribe to notification account for latest update. Now I tell you what their mama or comment section. Mesro so baswa. You watch video for any be action. Etobian is the party communicators and people akwa aside Kevin Taylor. Nana no air dempa boy Juma Kesepa Emma and this and Oheneba Boamah. Or yeah, Juma Dene Ediboa NDC bar power. Now, NDC bar power, you know. Yes, Mahama in 2 months' time. Anyone say Oheneba Boamah, I bet TV as well as so. Now, I started to say, hey, it's a bar, Benny. You're from Okra, Monfa.
Whatever. Ya when they yan in the Biadre. Now, a baby Basua, a baby say what Sabone at to harm in Tima. Yabatobe, a lot of promises, also. We be so bibo ye wia e kontomra first na beheso ye wia kokoti e wonwura mu nyina wo na beheso ye wia dabu na mpan ho wo na beheso ye to abawie ya wo pani kura no aka asam no kire ho no wo kɔ no office anopa no nsia wo be firi ho anwumre no nsia wo fo ani hu no ye so wa ye busy. Yes, nipa wura ho ni wapie nipa wura ho ni wapie nipa wura ho ni wapie ebedru so no. Yes, why you busy? I am telling you, politics will soon fade because the meritocracy in politics will go up.
Okay. And then as I started attack Negakra Emma Heat no or there's a taste some George. On data bundle price and on the boy aye dene or fire some dot kakra.
You best start and come on at the free. Some of the ministers are one performance, no. You want to say be a underperformance. Now, be more hard no question. They are performing very good. Be so hard kokra. Now, you best starting command from data. No boy they may monitor be a ding. But data is too expensive. Mama yen kan okrantre ho. Etom da bia nya ndi sintinu akotra ba bia akoka so wa ye. Wa bra de ne nye. Wa bra na me ezle wusu ho no. Na utumi 5 cedis a. Utumi 8 gig. Wo dial star 141 a. Na utumi be 8 gig 5 Ghana cedis. The free down one number Sam George eba ye no. Data is very expensive from see a tour about the baby cine. Data is very expensive. What it? And she said, "Ben, I'm going to telecommunications, no echo. I'm a mama Ghana for my hair, and a dollar coffin, and a bibia coffin. But data is very expensive. Data is not so every day, and that me no can say." 6.1 gig. What Dali 141 and 6.1 gig. 30 Ghana cedis. 30 cedis. It's the question that maybe so noble Sam George and then say, what you want to data be announced to be. Now the aya no who and who because for my woman no sene me sorry na pabia na se betumi abran so atumi aye adwuma because o man global world. Obata ade obeye adwuma obeye we here data every day be a do spend 30 Ghana 30 cedis e we data ho a na dem mabobre okruma
no abenya entokwa eko ema about 2 weeks ago kra no entwa on Saturday TV SYZ subi na ho no Oheneba Boamah 30 NDC as a party say Tese oduna bo adwuma e baaye mo yinama ofre kra mo mpeke saa de na adwuma no obegya ko bobo ye no mo treating as a presenter mo treating as politicians and mo ma appointment mo twa na bo mo cheska no mo yinama mo hwe abafo no mo forget de na ono so adwuma no obegya na ogya so on gwatena fie obekọ be foforo say wuntumi TV beje no announce as well beje na obe free NDC no akọ ye adwuma ajiska de gu ni botomu
said ye tie bia no rebekwa wie na me de kwa wie enso enye se me de kwa wie no makwa akotena ho me de kwa wie ya me ko ba bi foforo yo mbehwe me makọ ma jeduma ana me tie as far as me ye media personnel me tie as far as me ye training na ye say player me bow team na mani nya na team bi yo ye me opponent akobobo na magiska etu okumangra TV SYZ se watina wontumi TV pajasika pubio eba se okumangra beseme yenkwa bedi atire makwakwa ye madwuma because me media ni mo ba ye no mun treat me as politician, but treat me as a media personality I am. Maybe I want to treat me as a politician. You know definitely say me a politician. I am not one of you. I am a media personality. So you have treated me as a media personnel. Media for so ye yet baby ana se baby ye wono. Se ho nye dey to which was. It is a one day new media. Sasa si wo hoy, se won to be wo hoy, MPP for station scatter. No be pajasika mu odro na me shanto to ya no na ye fanya. Why not? Ada na me ni akire. Bi dimrika kra na beko. Na konma kwakwa ye adwuma nso. Because as a media personnel me wa yiri wo ma ya me back me ba be kasa wiem wani je na ba nsem na me kokodru fie na me yire ne me ma ye num garia eno nya life eno nya abrabo ne se me free ha me kokodru fie no na me yire ne me manso ani age wodi ye muni agro ye be hia wo desert no so wodi ye muni agro ye be hia wo desert no so you will enjoy wo kumangra buta magodie ni doso magodie no a doso no urade hwe etobro bi na mete wona me hwe obi se na dwene na se Oheneba Boamah Bennie on failure bitumi trust din ne ma hwe ni pani din na menisuya soso beti hay na me mama ye people teacher and am papa ye koko kratch and omo wo me wonim baabi a me fira ankanyo mpa ebone se me mfie se wonim baabi a me fira wonim mabusuafo wonim me maame wonim me papa anka wo sharia no patututu a anka nipa obagye ne ho se anyanyam bia wadidi ana eyo Oheneba Boamah Bennie because me mabusuam 1,000 Ghana case to a obekọ prison abusuam na metimu no obi a ho kire no a me ne yefrem you I am the pillar of the family. Enti kwase abu a wobu mi eye akwanya wode me nam so yi eye sadia ma mani etutu aka me nsam yi eye sadia wo hyemani eye eye aduna ma me dia yero hosa what is wrong with you wonim baabi a me free a anka be wo se ne pem na dame dako
Emma similar kind of Mugabe. Ana oye general manager for TV SYZ. Only no ever clash. Mugabe came just over Quaco. ya bro enwa ye detua oka wada say obekwa ko frimuna ko
Ewiase wanya bibia mo wase ese menye den me mo ne kro no. Good name is better than riches. Go to other radio stations and check. Obi ya juma 3-4 months wonya ketuada. By her, under my leadership as a general manager of Power FM. What can be any hope about I say 3 months in Triaka. CEO Ebra Juma, Deputy CEO at 20 near my year. Nina and Shaya Pa Edaho in opposition Bessine. Woman person musu greedy ones no won't continue to cry. Maybe to a mirror office be a quiet mammy. Because your credibility, me for my phone and nam be a coso kama. I remember your mama by 6 months. I'm a moon. Joleza Brabe, chief of staff, 6 months. No here pressure be a view. Be a let's keep on praying for them to succeed. Some personal interest.
Now, say the Cassan Etiano, you see, we are seeing you. One can say to more. Ye, way bonnet. And I say, one fear was since a commodore, no one fear was saying, you who's a commodore. Why you know when you were Muna, you who's a wolf. What I say, ain't no. Ever, Oheneba Boamah or Bekana question, better media, no so ever soon, ye be quite good and this button so. Emma month for dinner, term, and you can't send far no home, as Oheneba Boamah, who do home ball, and a wire say, I know I say, you know. I would be happy from Abba. Sammy Gyamfi out your gold board charm. Yes, Sika Befi, why the blog? Sammy Gyamfi Sika Befi, elephant money, I'll drop it. Sammy Gyamfi your gold board charm. What a Toyota Camry, fully spec. Eddie about Oheneba Boamah and Niaji able see.
Maybe I make a Juma Kakra. Aha. Maybe I am Juma. Ubi Antia, lawyer Sammy Gyamfi Mame. Na won kan chen se okumangra me da na se papa nyame wonhyira no na won ye me tough itima bambe me ka tape ho adwuma light one bi wo okumangra nyame ada roma what you say aha nti we ni ye ba be ye ho adwuma no e no maba be to aburotu
mewa omo dealing with gold so cry say Sammy Gyamfi ba here gold adwuma no wase abodo ye say e bodo swat ya ma de Sammy Gyamfi adwuma kra de omo hu so
Sammy Gyamfi ade good e banche good enye banche last year near to good 13,000 per pound 13,000 Ghana per pound. Enne na me no ka say good that 8,000 aden good e banchi but still said the niama boisi tie wo market no de tie na tie good board na yasem papa ni nim say be boa o man nim be boa o man no impuntu nyuma nyina but the rate of good price see ko form no ano odene say good price ko form and as yet tini amaswa en Kenya de be a big deal now so price that 8,000 per pound now kwa akoto ade na de ne dana ne da nesa no odene Sammy Gyamfi say nei and as yet to aba en kadu ye good adwuma bia ebi gina we so ato atie NDC inti shena pe hu bibiye because boiler suja e de no phone sa na ehye mu 4 years ni mo no eno ani ye nam no mistakes a MPP ya ko opposition no uzu be bia muzu be ko opposition manya kam ya ti asese gold enu kro man no na said the price na sia say no Sammy Gyamfi ye bi found na no what
Ghana gold board for asma me kan ne boni mu na me kan ye ne ye gold ho adwuma no mu bu ye kwase a kire se price na mo de man enye mo ya aware se price na enye what you say mo check world market na where price a wo de man wa na enye ohunu Sammy Gyamfi betina say a so achecha na fo a waka wo masem no wo kan ya kuduru ba bi say si obi to gold no na price a gold board dia ba no wan ton the same price o me enche no me ma vigilance se wo ho ne se me ye adwuma ne se wo se ento no 8.1 na sa 8.1 pese to gold no me se meto no ai 900 a meto 900 a chibe na ese ye chime se meto am de blow ba woni me se meto ne sa me menya more customers so sa gold no me fam lew what you say enti ade na wo ye no wo kasa nyina no wo mu na tama wo kasa nyina wo kasa obi ye sa ade na mo obi meti ase ne enche no yaso ye wosika abase body bi e de bema wo no wo ka nyina no wo mu na wo ye ni yakọ ni bebanyam what you say ti wanim na ade na wo ye no fa adwen pa eye ade no ye ne ye o man ba pa mamu a na mo so ma ya ban papa de amaye ko so nye good board for no kwa na tena se am yes sa hyehyɛ no ndc aban mo ka ho mo nyina na mo tena se ma ye hyehyɛ sa good ho adwuma no ena form sa wo ena nya aban na sponsor obi enti se good no ye de ba ma aban na to a e ya de pa aban benya so mfa so aye bibi na se wo bu ye kompa no wage good na ton de edene what you say ti de mo ye no mo mamoni emra mo ho so se de mo ye ne so ye nipa ye bla ye diska na ye adwuma no cause nkofu bi atobia eni bosume nwotwe kura awoma ya ton good ama oma ye hu se good na ye ton ma wo no ne so mfa so na kamia say ye
ana se Sammy Gyamfi nyeska ato Toyota Camry era mo Oheneba Boamah ejesi ano Oheneba Boamah wo twa sana to ho elis ho na mo se ye nya mo hwere masa mo betena media no so mesu mo nkase mo bejai mu jai pe Sammy Gyamfi wo ho obema mo ka ejesi ano new Ibrahim Mahama in NDC Sammy Gyamfi obesu esi obema ka etino mama mo tip off mo TikTok esu mo mra nya botre mo mra YouTube ha bra come to YouTube mo mra mesu emu ha ana mo go trade station la mo go su na mo trade party se mo be jai janda mo ye mo be jai o chidi o mama mo be jai enu ana no Sammy Gyamfi mo be nya ka every day oda ne ka mai first no now a dollar mai sia de oda ne ka mai ka dealer ka so flyer o tu moto manu yi ka de che tira jo mama e o comment section ayi Penyah bro media aka